Good morning, dear students. Today's class we are going to see problems based on accounting equation. Already we have learned the theory part of accounting equation. Okay, then we have seen the formulas based on this. Okay, one main formula I told you that assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay, this is the main formula. Okay, based on this main formula, that is A is equal to L plus C. Right? Based on this formula, we can remove two again formulas. If liabilities you want to find, you have to take this formula. Liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. L is equal to A minus C. If you want to find liabilities is missing. Okay. Then one more, if you want to find capital, capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. That is C is equal to A minus. So these, based on these three equations, okay, which one is missing? If assets is missing, take this formula. If liability is missing, take this formula. If you want to find capital, take this formula and we have to solve the problem. Okay. So based on this formula, one problem will solve. Okay. I have one midterm 2018 question paper. Okay. From that I'll take the question of accounting equation. Now see this accounting equation, it will come in practical oriented questions, sections E. Okay, for 5 marks. Okay, so this is the problem based on 5 marks. Okay, so this is the first problem, right? The accounting equation and find out the missing figure. Okay, so table is given. Serial number, assets in rupees, then liabilities in rupees and capital in rupees. So this is a problem. Okay. So how to solve? See. Now see the question what is given. Write down the accounting equation. This is the first. Second, find out the missing figure. So wherever question mark is there, so this is the missing figure you have to find. Yes. First, I'll write accounting equation. Yes. Solution. Accounting equations I'll write. Yes. First one, assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay, here because here assets. Okay, you can write anyhow. Next, liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. And third equation, capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. Okay, this one I have done. This one write down the accounting equations I have written. Okay, next find out the missing figure. One by one we'll solve. First, A. Yes, in A, what is missing here? Assets is missing. If assets is missing, take this formula. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Right. Now, assets is missing. What is the liability? CA. Liabilities is 2 lakh. Plus capital is how much? 1,50,000. So total assets is equal to, therefore assets is equal to 2 lakh plus 1,50,000 is 3,50,000. We got first. Okay, very easy for 5 marks. Now B. In B, what is missing? Liabilities. When liabilities is missing, take this formula. B. Liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. Okay. Now, see in second, how much is the assets? 3 lakh. Capital is how much? 2 lakh. So, liabilities is how much? Therefore, liabilities is equal to 3 lakh minus 2 lakh is 1 lakh. Okay. So, this one we have completed B part. C part. In C, what is missing here? Capital is missing. So, take third formula. Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. So, assets is how much? Total C here in third? 5 lakhs. Liabilities 3 lakh. So, how much is capital? Therefore, capital is equal to 5 lakh minus 3 lakh is 2 lakh. When you want to find assets, that time only plus. Otherwise, in liabilities and capital, you have to minus from assets. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, at last, you have to draw this once again table and fill the boxes. Okay, now after this, draw the table once again and fill the boxes. How much is assets here? 3,50,000. How much is liabilities here? 1 lakh. When you total this, assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So see here, 1 lakh plus 2 lakh, 3 lakh. Okay. Here 5 lakh minus 3 lakh, 2 lakh. In exam, you should not solve directly in these boxes. You have to use a formula, then only you have to show how it has come. Okay. Hope you understood this. Write down the accounting equation means you have to first write down. If not given, you can solve directly. Okay. So 5 marks problem it is. Okay. One more problem I'll take. Same question is write down the accounting equation and find out the missing figure. Here missing figure. Here you have to drop this. You have to copy once again all. And make the changes. Okay. This is the second problem I am going solving. Write down the accounting equation and find out the missing figure. Here in first they have given 1,50,000 assets, liabilities 60,000 given, and here question mark. Okay, next here 1 lakh, question mark, 55,000. Next here question mark, 34,000 and 46,000. In 2000, this question paper 2019. Okay, this problem is from 2019 question paper, 5 marks. So this is the problem. Okay, solution, write down the accounting equation, same you write down again. Okay, then solve the equation. First one, there is A part. Yes, in A what is missing here? Capital. Right? Now capital is missing. So you have to take this formula. Capital is equal to, this capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. Right? Yes. See here. Capital is equal to assets is how much? 1,50,000. And liabilities is how much? 60,000. Therefore, capital is equal to 1,50,000 minus 60,000 is 90,000. Right? So this is A part. Next, in B part, what is missing? Liabilities. When liabilities is missing, take second formula. Liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. Yes, so here how much is assets? 1 lakh. Right? And capital is 55,000. So therefore, liabilities is equal to 1 lakh minus 55,000 is 45,000. Right? Next, C. Here in C, what is missing? Assets. That time take assets formula. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Yes. How much is liabilities? 34,000. And capital is 46,000. So adding assets is equal to 34 plus 46, 80,000. Right? 80,000. You can cross verify also if you want. 80,000 minus 34, 46. Okay? So like this, 2019 question paper problem had appeared. Okay? 5 marks. Practical oriented question, section E. Okay? One more problem we'll solve. Problem number 3. Yes, here only table I'll draw. Yes, problem is 50,000, 50, then here 30,000, dash 25,000, 20,000, and here 20,000 dash 16,000. Okay, your dash means this one you have to find as a missing figure. Okay, sometimes they'll give dash or question mark. Okay, if they are told write an accounting equation, write. Okay, if not also you have to better to write. Okay, it will be used for solving the equation. Yes, first one is in A, what is missing? Capital is missing. So take capital formula. Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. Yes, how much is assets here? 50,000. Liabilities is 30,000. Yes, so what is the total capital? Therefore, capital is equal to 50,000 minus 30,000 is 20,000. Okay, this is A. Then in B, yes, B, what is missing? Assets is missing. So take assets formula. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay, yes. Liabilities is how much? See, 25,000. And total capital 20,000. Therefore, assets is equal to 25,000 plus 20,000 is 45,000. C. Okay, here what is missing? Liabilities. So use liabilities formula. Liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. Yes. Total assets 20,000. Total capital 16,000. Therefore, liabilities is equal to 20,000 minus 16,000 remains what? 4,000. Okay, very easy problem. 5 marks maximum. Definitely it will come in exam. Okay, so this is about accounting equation, simple formulas, practical oriented question. Okay, hope you understood this time. I'll give some problems to practice session. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you.